The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention released a study this week, and the study shows a sharp rise in the number of children being diagnosed with autism. Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. calls it an epidemic and is promising, as such, more research into the future. Our Dawn White today, though, in Frisco, looking into the alarming numbers.
This picture was taken when Paige, Mia, and Blair were obviously very young.
Playboat Wright is a proud father of 3 girls, including Mia and Blair, who are identical twins.
We went through the list, got to the bottom, and neither one of us had checked anything off the list. So that's how we knew something was up.
That's when doctors told the Boatwrights their 2-year-old girls were on the autism spectrum.
As it turns out, Paige and Mia are on the more severe end of the spectrum. So they are almost 25 years old. They've never spoken.
The CDC released data this week showing 1 in 31 children will be diagnosed with autism by the age of 8. The rate is almost 5 times as high as the year 2000, when the agency first started collecting data. The CDC credited improvements in testing as one of the reasons for the increase. HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. contradicted that. Kennedy called autism a preventable disease and said environmental toxins are a cause.
These are kids who, many of them were fully functional and regressed because of some environmental exposure into autism when they're 2 years old.
Dr. Kimberly Dooley says signs of autism in kids can include a lack of facial expressions and not responding to their name.
We know that early identification leads to early intervention. So early therapeutic interventions can lead to a significant increase in skills for children with developmental delays like autism, because the therapies will specifically target the skills in the areas that they need additional support.
Secretary Kennedy says the agency is planning to study possible causes of autism and release results in September.
And the only way to really understand that is to do the additional research.
In Frisco, Dawn White, CBS News, Texas.